What's up, ranchers? Welcome back to the ranch. Real quick video. What is a hinge cut? Well, it's when you take a small diameter tree, much like this, 4 to 6 inches in diameter, maybe even up to 7 or 8 if you're really experienced. We're going to cut some of it and pull it over. So that's cut. We're cut a little bit about halfway through, and now we're going to pull it over. You want to leave as much meat as possible and really muscle it over to keep the tree alive. And you want to pull it nice and gently. Remember, you're pulling a tree on you, so be gentle. Never do this fast. The slower you can bring this down, the better. You want this tree to survive. And that's a hinge cut.